Ganesha. One day, Narad Muni went to Kailash mountain to visit Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. He greeted them and presented a magical mango to Lord Shiva. He said, "O Lord Shiva, this mango is sweeter than sugar and will give wisdom to the person who eats it. Please present it to your worthy son." Narad Muni was known for his mischievous behavior. Lord Shiva instantly realized that he is planning to create some mischief. Lord Shiva said, "O worldly sage, I shall accept your gift and give it to my son. But you have two sons who will get the mango. The mango can be given only to one person. This is no ordinary mango. This fruit is blessed, thus cannot shared between two people." Just then Ganesha and Kartikeya came to sit with their parents. They saw the mango and their mouths watered. They wanted the mango for themselves. To eat the mango, Ganesh and Kartikeya quarreled about who is stronger between the two. They agreed that both will travel around the world and whoever will return first will be considered stronger than the other and eat the mango. Kartikeya immediately sat on his peacock and sped off to circle the world. He thought that Ganesha with mouse as his ride will never be able to win the challenge. Kartikeya travelled the whole world, fought wars, and emerged victorious from them. He was happy with himself and quickly journeyed back to his parents. Meanwhile, Ganesha stayed back at home. He went to his parents and bowed before them. He then circled around them 3 times and sat down. When his parents inquired what he is up to, he asked them to wait for some time. Soon, Kartikeya came there panting but with a victorious smile. He beamed and said, "I have won. I have travelled around the world and returned while you are still here." Ganesh smiled and replied, "Let us leave the decision to our parents." He then turned to their parents, bowed before them and said, "Please settle any dispute between us. We agree that whoever travels around the world and returns first will be considered as a more powerful than the other." Kartikeya travelled the whole world and has returned. But I circled both of you 3 times because both of you make up my whole world. Now tell us who is mightier. Lord Shiva smiled as he was very pleased with Ganesha's wisdom. He then turned to Kartikeya and said, "Dear son, your elder brother is right, so he wins the challenge." Kartikeya bowed to his parents' judgment and accepted defeat. Ganesha happily started eating the magical mango.